Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on this channel, man. As you know, me, Gabbyproscra, I'm the one going to be showing you all this, so let's get straight into it. So today I want to show you how to edit a photo with 6 packs without removing the 6 packs, or without touching where you're not supposed to touch and destroying it, but making it look good. Yeah, so let's get straight to it. We're going to be using action. I will leave a link in the description for those who want the same action to be using it. I will leave a link where you can get it for free download. So as you can see, I already installed mine. I'm just going to press play, then it plays itself. So you press stop, then it already jumps itself on brush tool. So you just zoom and you start brushing. So when you're brushing, make sure these edges here, this edge, you don't touch them. Make sure you just brush where you're seeing it's big. So you come around the chest, brush the middle, even this side. Don't catch the edges. If you catch the edges, it's going to start losing the shape. So you come here, touch the sides only. Then come to the hands. The hands you can brush all, that's okay. Brush the neck. Remember, the shape of a person is everywhere, so you be careful. Don't catch the holes. Then let's go to the face. The face should be nice, so you brush it all well. Make sure the 6 packs you don't touch it, because when you touch there, like when, let me say I touch, it loses 6 packs. So you make sure you don't touch there. Just catch the places that needs to be touched. So as you can see, we have before and after. Before, after. So come to the background, press Ctrl J, then select with the skin retouch and merge layers. So here you can be able to separate the background. You can use quick selection tool as always. Select the whole body. As you can see, my hands are touching. Sorry, no, you don't have a camera, so there's no way you can see. As you can, my hands are hitting Alt on the keyboard to remove, to unselect. So as long as you see like you have selected all you need, then you can press and put the feather on 3 and press Ctrl J on your keyboard. Then you can close the skin retouch and the background. Then you can see the photo has no background. Now you can give it a black background. Or anything you want. You can give it any background you want. And then after, what you have to do, you have to balance the color of the body so that you can match the background. Because right now it's looking good, yes, but it's looking like it is not belonging to the background. So we have to balance it and make him belong there, look like he was there real. So you press after selecting the clothes, press Ctrl J. Then now you have separated the clothes and the body. So come to camera filter for the clothes. Then reduce the whites, the highlights, add the contrast, add the shadows, then reduce the blacks. You can add the vibrance a bit to make it shine. Then you can even change the color to anything, make it a bit blue, look more nice. Yeah, so as you can see, this nigga's pants has just become real blue. Yep, so real new. So let's go to the body filter, camera raw filter, reduce the highlights, reduce the whites, add the shadows, then come up and add the exposure a bit, not too much, and reduce the blacks. Then reduce the color of the vibrance to bring it back to the normal color and press OK. Then as you can see, it's now oiled well the way we need it. So let's work on the high. For the high, you come down here to creating a new filter. Then you go to saturation, then change master to yellow, then remove the saturation and add the lightness, then press Ctrl I on your keyboard, then come and select brush tool and zoom, reduce the size, then start painting the yellow area to turn it to white. So you can press Ctrl J to make it more white the way you want it more white, so that you can duplicate this, so that it can look more white. So now after doing this, you can use pen tool to cut the edges you're seeing. Like you can see behind here is okay, but this side needs to be cut, so you can use pen tool to finish that. But thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Most of you are just viewing, not subscribing. Please subscribe so that you can get to any new video we're dropping. Thank you for watching.